Good afternoon. Today we're here at 8925 Waymire Creek Court on the western edge of Spring Valley and bordering Summerlin. This is a single-story home, 1,831 square feet on the corner of the cul-de-sac. Cul-de-sac only has 6 homes. Coming in, this is a 1995 build. The list price is $498,900. It's been on the market for 34 days with no price drop. So a price drop is imminent, and we're gonna check it out and see if we were to put an offer, what kind of offer we would put in. As we see, for 1995, it is well kept and well remodeled, very clean. Has cathedral ceilings that go upwards, so you have a larger ceiling cap. Makes the house feel bigger. Coming around, we have our open floor plan layout. And we look over at our kitchen, fully remodeled. We'll take a closer look at that. And looking back at the family room. And they're using this as a dining room. As you can see, there's ceiling fans. And lots of natural sunlight. There are sunshades on right now, so it is a little darker, but if you take those off, lots of natural sunlight, and you have a very private backyard. So come around, taking a look at the pantry. And then taking a look at the kitchen, lots of countertop space. Full granite all around, and you can use it as a bar, as people can pull up to the table or pull up to the island. Large single sink, very modern. All your appliances are fairly new. They don't seem too used, but not high end. Still usable. Lots of cabinet space for an older home. A quick look outside in the backyard. So this one still has lots of grass, shrubbery. As you can see, the patio is built over. Coming around, a fairly large backyard, and it curves around to the side a little bit. A lot of single-story homes right there. You have only one window looking in, and lots of trees. Checking out the bedrooms. Walking in, this is your coat closet. Coming over, you have your first bedroom to the left. It is 10 by 10, 10 by 11 with 10-foot ceilings. So it looks pretty large. Right across from bedroom number 1 is fully remodeled bathroom number 1. Very clean. It's a very clean remodel, but as you see, the bathtub would be the only thing that you would probably have to redo, like the backsplash and the shower heads. Across from the bathroom, we have our laundry connected to the garage. They left their washer and dryer. They have a built-in sink and shelves, which are all features of newer homes. It's very nice. A tight 2-car garage with a water softener, which is very crucial. Okay, standard 400 square foot. Then right next to us, bedroom number 2. Same square feet, 10 by 10, 11 by 10, with high ceilings and more storage above your sliding closet. And then the master bedroom. Coming in, listed as 15 by 13. It's very cozy, not too big. Again, remember, 1,800 square feet is all this is. So cozy home, good neighborhood. You're not paying the Summerlin city taxes. This is the master bedroom. Again, fully redone and matches the rest of the house. Coming in, have your tub and your walk-in shower. Two things that could be redone over time. Toilet, but for the most part, a lot of the remodeling was done fairly well, fairly clean. Your master bathroom, your master closet is your standard 6x4. All right, listed at $498. I think you can offer lower than $450, only because the market continues to drop. This one hasn't dropped price yet, but $450-ish should be somewhere where we should see this under contract. But very nice, quiet neighborhood, close to Summerlin, about 4 minutes from the freeway, about 15 minutes from the airport. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Today we're here in the southwest corner in a small community called Laurel Hills, right across from Rhodes Ranch. Very quiet neighborhood, tucked away. There's only one way in and out, and that is off of Fort Apache. This is a 1,850 square foot home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a den, listed at the moment at $494,000. Taking a step in. This is one of my favorite floor plans made by KB Homes. HOA is $51 a month. It is gated community, 1,850 square feet, built in 2016. As you see, the floors are upgraded tile flooring. You have your open floor plan, and right away you see your bonus room. So we'll take a look at the kitchen first. Padding around, open floor plan, very spacious. Have beautiful granite countertops, nice upgrades, lots of countertop space, and nice cabinets with the handles. A lot of people don't like it when it doesn't have the handles. Taking a look at our pantry. Coming on out. Take a quick look around. Taking a look at the den in the back. The den is 11 by 11. Have a ceiling fan, pretty spacious. Nice area you can use as an office, or if you have children, it could be an extra room that they can play in or study in. I'm gonna go towards the back. Take a look at the backyard real quick. You have a covered patio area. And walking out, they have desert landscaping, which means they do get a tax break. To the left, high walls, pretty private. Don't have many windows looking in. And in the back, you have fairly large space. Later, if you want to add a pool, I'm sure you could. And it's fairly private because you don't see any windows looking in. Your back neighbor has lots of shrubbery and greens. And then you have a little view of that mountain right there. Okay, so very nice, very quiet, very peaceful. Again, right across from Rhodes Ranch, one of the premier neighborhoods in Southwest, which will forever hold its value because of what they've done in that golf course community. This is your master bedroom, as you see. A little higher ceilings, they opted for the carpet. Carpet is still pretty new, not worn too much. This is the only bad thing about this layout is, in my opinion, would be how small the master bathroom is compared to the rest of the house. And you see, small little countertop with 2 sinks. And then you have your tub and your walk-in shower, and then your toilet. So very, very small. Feels a little stuffed. Okay. The backsplash and the walls are pretty nice. And everything is very clean, well kept. But for me, the size is a little bit small, and that is your only walk-in closet in the house, in the master bedroom. Pretty small, about 7 by 4. And moving around to the back of the home. Coming over towards the front door again, we have our second bedroom. A little bit larger, 11 by 11. Your sliding doors for your closet and your ceiling fan. To the left of that, you have your laundry, washer and dryer stays. They did also add a small cabinet so that you could probably hang your clothes, or it can act as a towel closet. Garage is standard. You have your boiler there. They've added some cabinets, very nice for storage. And they have a 2-part water softening system, which is always great, probably a couple $1,000 in value. And then our last bedroom is separated. So a lot of people like this layout because bedrooms, all 3 of them, are separated, and each bedroom has a bathroom that they can use. 2 full baths. This is the 3rd bedroom. Probably use it as your guest room. About 10 by 10 with lots of natural sunlight towards the front of the house. And as you see, there's a Nest thermometer already included. So 51 is the HOA. 494 is the price asking right now. Hasn't changed. It's been on the market for 43 days. 2016 build, 1,850 square feet in a gated neighborhood. Very nice. Thank you.